Have you ever wondered why so many people search for new business ideas but end up confused? You ask yourself, which idea is practical? Which idea has demand? And which one can actually grow into a profitable business? The confusion gets bigger when you hear about thousands of opportunities but don't know where to start. In this video, we are sharing top 3 best business ideas to start your own business with unique concept. Number 1, Sleep Pod Cafe. Imagine a cafe where instead of just coffee, people pay for rest. Sleep Pod cafes offer hourly nap stations equipped with comfortable pods, soothing aromatherapy, relaxing soundscapes, and even health tracking for stress and sleep quality. In today's fast-moving urban lifestyle, professionals and travelers are always searching for quick breaks to recharge. Setting up such a business near airports, tech parks, or crowded cities can attract huge demand. Revenue can come from hourly rentals, memberships, and wellness add-ons like herbal teas or meditation sessions. This business solves a very modern problem. People are tired and ready to pay for quality rest. Number 2, recycled plastic roads. Plastic waste is one of the biggest environmental threats, and governments worldwide are searching for solutions. Startups are now turning this waste into a powerful business by building recycled plastic roads. The idea is simple but impactful. Collect plastic from oceans and landfills, process it, and use it as a raw material for stronger, more durable roads. The benefits are huge. Plastic roads last longer, cost less, and help reduce pollution. Governments, NGOs, and construction companies would become your clients. By launching this business, you not only build profits, but also contribute directly to solving a global environmental crisis. And number 3, rent a dog service. Not everyone can own a dog, but millions of people wish they could. A rent-a-dog service lets people borrow trained dogs for fitness walks, companionship, or stress relief. It's perfect for city residents with busy schedules, travelers missing their pets, or families who want to experience pet care before adopting. The revenue model works through hourly rental fees, monthly subscriptions, and even special add-ons like therapy sessions or outdoor adventures. This business taps into the growing demand for pet-related services while providing happiness and emotional support. With proper safety measures and trained animals, it's a fun and profitable idea worldwide. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.